वेलकम टू अगेन। क्या हाल है दोस्तों? सब अच्छे हैं? फिर से एक नए लेक्चर में आपको स्वागत है। प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट है आपको कि आप इसको फुल साउंड और फुल स्क्रीन में देखें।
If I get time, then I will be discussing little bit about my own research. I will be mainly this will be much more useful to you all. So I have been, in many television programs. You must have seen me in the cadet counseling and cadet programs. So that's why I know all these things. So. I will be mainly discussing about the cadets. So I think how many of you are in MSc? How many of you are in BSc? How many are in BSc? BSc. So then it's fine. And how many are from MSc? Okay. So what I will do that I will give you both the opportunities for what are the opportunities are there if you are doing the BSc and what is the opportunity that you can have whenever you are in MSc and what are the different areas that you can choose forward. So there are you all know that new education policy has also come up. So many of the institutions are also changing their curriculum accordingly. So what we are going to discuss is some of the programs. Maybe it is possible that if you have done the 4 years BSc program, BSc student they can have many opportunities nowadays. Like there are some classical courses like botany and zoology you will find everywhere in India, all the places. So it's not that if you have got admission in botany or zoology, so it's not that you can undermine yourself. Basically it's any places you can do well. You have to work hard and you can do well. So there's some modern and applied biotechnology, molecular biology, human and medical physiology. Right now there are so many places are there, like even in AIMS. So there are the medical microbiology as well as human physiology is also there. Human genetics is also there. So many such type of departments are there. Like there is one institute near in NCR. It's called National Brain Research Institute. So they have started a new course of neurobiology, MSc and PhD integrated. So you can join such type of places also. So there are so many institutes. In 1 hour time, I do have a list of many things, but let me first finish all these things. Then suppose if you have any particular interest, I will be discussing about those. So many places like in University of Hyderabad also human genetics is there. VEDIO is also having the human genetics department. So how you can choose your the university and institute. So that also I will discuss. So first thing the last one is the bioinformatics and computational biology. These are the new field of research. So you all know that most of the organism is now either got sequenced or they do have a sequencing field. So the genome sequencing, after the genome sequencing, all these computational biology field is very, very important. Even after the COVID things, the rational drug designing and everything is very, very important nowadays. Rather, we have also started a Ayurveda bioinformatics with the help of there is one institute. This is called as a IGIP, Institute of Integrative and Clinical Studies. So that the curriculum is in such a way that you can have such kind of thing. I am sure you all will be realizing that in your childhood you must have seen one ad that I'm a compliant boy, I'm a compliant girl, boost is the secret of my energy, all those things. But during COVID time, everybody has forgotten those things. कहाँ कौन सा है, किलो कहाँ से मिलेगा, है ना, ये कहाँ से मिलेगा, all those things have happened, है ना. So that's why I am telling you that we do have plenty of things in our country. We have to realize those things and we have to work on those things. Basically, right now, even Western world, they are realizing. I can tell you that there's one recent example I can tell you that in the COVID time you must have seen that in in a family, one person is diabetic, highly diabetic, and comorbid, and his wife is not is a normal and is not having any problem. But during the COVID, the person who is having the comorbidity or having some of the diseases or something like they got survived, and the people who were just normal, even younger people, they died. What is the cause? So they are very beautiful paper. This has been published in the Lancet as well as recently in the by one institute in IGIT that I was talking about. So they have published about CCV Hyderabad, Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology. So they, in collaboration with that, they have published a paper in the Proceedings of National Academy of Science USA, which is a very prestigious journal. And there they have got this. There are, I remember there are three things like we talked about: war, and tough. So the imbalance in all those things, they have given a molecular biology approach, and molecular level they have shown that these people were having some comorbid. They were, but they were not having the pit or bath. There was, higher side. So that's why they got survived. So it's a tremendous type of opportunity that we all are having in India. So that's why I'll be mainly discussing about these things. The bioinformatics and computational biology, even in J.N.U, there is a course in Hyderabad University, Hyderabad also. There are many places that they have opened this type of courses. So what happens like nowadays, there is a you must have seen that there is a we call it as structured biology. I think Dr. Gorina is going to teach you or something about how you can have a structure. So what happens like in the COVID time, everybody was trying to solve the structure, the protein structure of COVID. And so say kya hai? Now, if you want to solve a protein structure of the COVID, so what will happen like there is the protein is basically set not जैसे दिखता है ना वैसा दिखता नहीं है सीधे लाइन. It is a globular form. So there are some groups are there, some of the things are there. So they actually suppose if you solve the structure, then you can design some drug which can block those areas. So they are basically called rational drug design. So rational drug designing is also one of the very important and very good field of opportunity. You can not only you can get everything is in the field of biological science. Sir, class ले रहा हूँ. Hello. So rational drug designing is also one of the area where people can make their careers. It's not only the people having the opportunity in India, but abroad also. If you want to go, there are so many places that you can have. Bioinformatics is one of the field which is actually a amalgamation of the